Yo, stop being broke. In this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly how you can make 10 bands before summer. Summer's right around the corner and I know y'all want to get lit, but you gotta put in the work first. So I ain't gonna hold nothing back in this video. It might be a little long, but I wanna just walk y'all through this step by step. And this is a method that I'm using myself, but I don't really see too many people talking about it. So it's really an untapped way to get money. And the best thing about it is, not only will you make 10 bands before summer, but you'll be able to make 10 bands a month consistently once you implement this process. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is find a way to make some money for free, right? Since you ain't got no money, and the best thing to do is start you an Instagram theme page. I keep telling y'all, all you need is a phone and Wi-Fi to get started. So let me go ahead and draw this real quick. We're gonna put IG for Instagram theme page. Now you can start your page in any niche. It could be the health and fitness niche, the AI niche, the relationship niche. You got the business niche. You got so many different niches. You want to find a niche. It could be even a trending niche like the Trump niche or something like that. But you want to find a niche to start your Instagram theme page. And I got a lot of videos breaking down exactly how you can grow your theme page and everything like that. So I ain't going to get into that in this video. I got a lot more to show y'all. And if you want to actually grow your Instagram theme page, I even put together a 21-day digital cash flow challenge teaching you exactly how to grow, scale, and monetize your Instagram theme page. So click the link in the description below for that. It walks you through everything on how to turn your Instagram page into an asset. But once you got a good following on Instagram, and I want you to know that when it comes to Instagram theme pages, you don't want to just put up BS content. Like, you actually want to provide value to people. You actually want to have a page with great content. That's the key to Instagram theme pages, is great content, because you're not showing your face and you don't need any money to start, right? But it comes down to your content. If you're not posting good content, then it's just not going to work out for you. Like, this is not going to be a get rich quick scheme or nothing like that. Like, you actually got to put in some work. You got to provide people value and put out good content in the world. You feel me? So just keep that in mind when it comes to Instagram theme pages. I just wanted to make sure I told y'all that. But once you got a good audience on your theme page, you can start monetizing, right? And you can do all of this for free. That's why I recommend starting an Instagram theme page if you don't have any money right now. And you never got to show your face. But you're going to monetize with promos. And then another way that you can monetize right here is with digital products. These are two ways that you can monetize your Instagram theme page for free once you got an audience built up. And the way that you're going to build your audience is posting good content consistently. So when you got a good audience built up, people want to start coming to you for promos, and you could charge anywhere. It depends on the size of your page, like $200 for a promo, $100 for a promo. It really depends on the size of your page and the engagement that you're getting. But this is just a way to make some free money. People just going to start coming to you and asking you, how much do you charge for promo? And they're going to pay you to post their content on your page. It's one of the easiest ways to make some money, I'm telling you. And then another way that you can monetize is with digital products. Now, you can make a lot more money with digital products, selling your own products and services. But you could do this with affiliate marketing as well. So affiliate marketing is where you're selling other people's products and you're getting a commission for it. You could go on sites like clickbank.com and everything like that to find some products no matter what niche you're in. So there's really no excuses. Or you can create your own ebook and make some money that way. Me personally, I made the most money by selling ebooks on my page. It really just comes down to the niche you're in though. Like, let's say you start your AI page, right? You grow up a following. You're providing value to people, and then you create your AI ebook that's teaching people ways to make money with AI and everything like that. You'll make a killing with your Instagram page as long as you're providing value to people. And make sure that whatever you sell on this page is valuable as well. Like, whatever ebook that you decide to sell, make sure that you take your time and put out a quality product so that it doesn't hurt your brand, right? And if you don't want to write the ebook yourself, you can go on websites like Upwork.com to get somebody to write it for you. So that's two ways that you can start making money for free. This will get you your first 10K before summer. I promise you. 10K before summer. If you do this, if you post, start today though. Like, you gotta start today. Start today. Start posting on Instagram at least 2 times a day. Provide value to people. Post good content, and your page will start growing organically, right? And then once you got an audience built up, you can start doing promos and digital products. This will get you your first 10K, especially if you drop a digital product or you do some affiliate marketing. You can run up a bag real quick, I'm telling you. So, and like I said, I got some videos on the channel already teaching you how to grow your Instagram theme page, and I put together that challenge. So check those out. But now we're going to get into the next part, is how we're going to turn that 10K into 10K a month consistently. Because you don't want to just make 10K, right? You want to do this consistently so that you can change your life for real. You feel me? So the next step to this process is you don't want to just splurge that 10K. You want to take that money and invest it, right? And a way that I don't see a lot of people talking about is turning your Instagram theme page into a YouTube automation channel. Like, there's a lot of channels out there talking about YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels, all that. But nobody talks about using your Instagram theme page to drive them to your YouTube automation channel. I know I fucked up the little board right here, but y'all get the point. But you're going to use your Instagram theme page to drive them to your YouTube automation channel to make even more money. Now, the reason why I put this last is because you are going to need a little money to start. I'm not telling you to start a channel with AI or anything like that. I'm actually telling you to start a real channel and provide real value to people, right? So it's going to cost you a little money. We ain't just making no bullshit videos, right? We got to make some real quality documentaries or real quality videos to make some real money. So there's a couple different ways that you can make money with YouTube automation. First is sponsorships. Next, you could take that same digital product that you were selling on Instagram, but just sell it in your videos. So we're going to put DP for digital products. And then another way that you can make some money with AdSense. I'm going to just put AD right here. Real small, I ain't have too much space. We got sponsorships now, digital products, and AdSense. You feel me? This is how I turn the regular Instagram theme page from making me a couple thousand a month to making me over 20,000 a month. Just using this method right here. You ain't got to do too much different. But instead of sending them to your digital product, you're going to send them to your YouTube videos. And in the videos, you're going to promote the digital product, right? So you don't want to just rely on AdSense. You want to promote your digital product that you were selling on Instagram before and your YouTube videos. And then you're going to get paid from AdSense at the same time. And then you can add on some sponsorships as well once your channel grows. Like, I'm telling you, this is the blueprint right here. I don't see nobody else talking about this at all on YouTube. Like, they telling you to start these faceless channels and these Instagram pages, but nobody is combining the two. I don't understand why, but man, once you combine the two, you got you a real play going on. And the best thing about it is, like, your YouTube channel and your Instagram page is going to feed off of each other, right? So whenever you drop a YouTube video, just tell them to go watch it on Instagram. And let me put this in perspective for you, right? Let me show you how powerful this is, right? So for somebody, right, that's just growing a regular YouTube automation channel. So he just got a regular channel. I'm gonna just put YTA. So he just got a regular channel, right? No Instagram theme page, no nothing, right? It might take him about a year to really start seeing some results. I'm gonna just put 1Y for 1 year. It might take him a year, like, cause he has no audience built up on other platforms, right? So it might take him a year, and he's gonna be spending a lot of bread, cause with YouTube automation, you gotta put some money in, right? So he's gonna be spending a lot of money every day for a year without making much in return. You feel me? So it's gonna be a lot of money spent on this right here before you even make a return. But if you do it this way, if you ain't got no money right now, this is the way to play the game. You start you an Instagram theme page first and get you some free money. Start you an Instagram theme page. Then you go over to the YouTube automation. Send them to your YouTube channel. Once you got some money coming in, use that money, invest it. Start your YouTube automation channel. And then what took him a year will only take you like 3 to 6 months to really get it off the ground. It ain't gonna happen overnight, but 3 to 6 months. I'm gonna put 3 to 6 M right here. It'll be much faster. I'm telling you, like, this is the same process that I'm using with all my channels and everything like that. And it just helps your channel grow a lot faster. Like, I know a lot of people tell you not to use your Instagram page to drive traffic to your YouTube videos. Man, they really haven't tried it or something. Like, they really have no experience with it, because with me, it helped the channel grow a lot faster. You feel me? Like, we got to like 350,000 subscribers on a YouTube automation channel in just like a year and a half using this method. This is not something that I'm just talking about and I never did myself. And matter of fact, actually go on this channel, right? I made a video about a year or two ago just showing y'all me growing a YouTube automation channel from scratch. And that was the channel that we scaled to over 20K a month using this very same method. You feel me? So, man, it works. I'm telling you, if you ain't got no money right now, definitely try this out. Start you an Instagram theme page in a particular niche. Grow that page up. Make you some money with promos and digital products. Take that money, invest it in a YouTube automation channel. Make sure that you put out great quality content. Don't put out no bullshit. Don't just put out no half-ass videos. Great quality content is the key for your Instagram page and your YouTube automation channel, because you're not showing your face. So the content is really the only thing people have to go off of, right? So make sure that you do that, and in 3 to 6 months, you could be making 10K a month consistently. And if you want to work with me and my team one-on-one to help you implement this, click the link in the description below, fill out that application, and we'll see if you're a good fit. We've been helping clients get crazy results when it comes to using this method. Like I said, you really can't find nobody else teaching you how to do this, how to get started with this and all that. So if you want to work with us, click that link in the description below and fill out that application. But before you go, I actually want to give you a couple tips when it comes to YouTube automation, because the last video I made on YouTube automation was about a year ago, right? So I just want to give you a couple tips on some things that I learned in the last year to just help you out a little bit. So I'm gonna just start it right here. I ain't had no script or nothing for this video. I'm just doing this off the dome, just giving y'all this game. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe. Tip number 1 would be your team and content is everything, especially when it comes to YouTube automation. Your Instagram theme page you can run by yourself. You don't really need a team for that. But when it comes to YouTube automation, your team is everything. Take care of your team, pay your team well, so that they can make great quality content for you, right? So that's number 1. Make sure that you take care of your team. Number 2 is don't rely on AdSense. Now, AdSense is cool, but you can't rely on that. I would say, like I told y'all earlier, just promote your digital products and your YouTube videos as well, so that you can make some extra money. Because you never know with AdSense, like, your views can go up and down. But when it comes to this method right here, it helps your views a lot, because you got the Instagram page to fall back on and drive traffic to your videos. So let's say you drop a video and it really doesn't perform well, but you got your Instagram page. You can always use your Instagram page to drive them to that video, and then that video will start getting pushed out more if it's good, because people are going to be watching it, liking it, commenting on it, and it'll get pushed out in the algorithm more. So that can help your channel out a lot. But don't just rely on AdSense when it comes to YouTube automation. Number 3, find outlier videos. So for this, all you gotta do is go on some competitor channels and sort it by their most popular videos. And then once you sort it by their most popular videos, that'll give you an idea on what's working in the niche and some ideas that you can copy from them. But of course, you're gonna put your own twist on it, put your own branding on it, everything like that. And then number 4, a video is never dead. So what I mean by this is what I said, a video is never dead. So you always want to be changing the thumbnails on your videos and everything like that. And whenever you change the title and the thumbnail on the video, it kind of gives it a second life, you feel me? So if a video performs bad at first and you know it was some heat, you know you dropped some quality content, don't give up on that video. All you got to do is really change the thumbnail and the title, and it might give it a boost, you feel me? So a video is never dead. It could be a 10 out of 10 at first, the first couple weeks, but then you change the title and the thumbnail on it, it could shoot up to a 1 out of 10. You feel me? So never give up on the video, especially if you know it was some heat. And the way that you can identify if it was a good video, it just didn't get the proper push, is checking the watch time, right? So if it had a good watch time, like above like 35, 40%, if it had something like that, but it just got low views, change the title and the thumbnail on it and you'll be straight. The fifth tip I have is really just create multiple channels. Once you got one channel, it makes it a lot easier to create other channels. You feel me? So definitely create multiple channels. Once you got things going, you can promote your channels in the community tab, and you could take everything that you learn and just apply it to a different niche. So let's say you started off in the health and fitness niche, you ran this whole play and you started making some consistent money. Take that money and start you another channel in the AI niche or the business niche, whatever niche. Like, you could take this same blueprint. But I could keep going on and on about this method right here because, man, this method right here changed my life. It's my favorite way to make money online, especially if you don't have any money to start. I want y'all to go take action though. Don't just watch this video. I put a lot on your mind, I know that, but go take action. Start your Instagram theme page. And if you don't know where to start, just go on this channel. I got a lot of free game for y'all. Or if you want to take the 21-day challenge, the link is in the description below. But I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like and drop a comment down below if you want me to make a video on the most profitable Instagram niches to be in when it comes to theme pages and everything like that. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. I got a lot more content coming for y'all, a lot more free game coming for y'all. But I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.